Good morning, class. It's Thursday, May the 7th, and today we're going to do calendar and number of the day for the number 23. We're going to do some practice in skip counting, and let's go ahead and get started. So get your calendar, your yellow duotang, grab your calendar page. Remember, you can be coloring some of your May, and we're going to flip over and add a nice number 7 today. Make sure your 7 has an angle, but it's not too much of an angle. It doesn't look like that. That's a different sign. It means something on this side is bigger than something on this side. So we want to make sure our first part of our 7 is straight, flat, horizontal, and then we have a slight angle down to about the middle of the 7 on top, okay? So a nice neat 7, my friends. Go ahead and color your tulip number 7. Flip over to your weather day. It's cloudy today with a chance of rain. So it might be raining when you get up in the morning. Right now it's just cloudy for me, so I'm going to put a tally mark. Remember, my up and down tally marks are tall and close to each other. They're not spread out super wide so that when I group it, it becomes a small group. It's all the way cloudy today, my friends, so that means I need a black color on my weather bar. Grab my black crayon right here. And so far in May, I have a pretty good tie going with partly cloudy, windy, rainy. So far it's been a mixed bag of weather. I hope we get some more sunny days that are sunny for the entire day, and I hope we don't get any snowy days, but that's just me. Join me with your next number of the day page. You can work with me on the video. Pause the video anytime you feel like I'm going too fast for you, and join me anytime I'm going the right speed for you. Grab my marker. It is the number 23 today. So that's a 2-word number. Tw, N, T, and then the word 3, thr, E. And it is May 7th today. Now, is 23 even or odd? If I count even numbers by 2, I'm going to see if I hit 23, so count along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I skip right over it, so we know that's even. We could double check by counting the odd numbers, counting by 2s. If we start at 1, then we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, so it tells us it's odd. I could also look at just the ones column, and I know 3 is an odd number. There's no double question that will answer to 3. So many ways to discover if it's even or odd. In tally marks, I need 20, and then I need 3 more. So that is 4 groups of 5 for 20, and we'll just do those and count real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 3 more. We want to put 23 in the middle. We're going to say, what is 1 less? What is 1 more? So 1 less is 22, 22, 23, 24. Go ahead and pause the video anytime you need to catch up with me before I move on. We're going to do our 10 frames next. This number tells me I need 2 10 frames that are full, plus some extra. So I'm going to draw my 10 frames kind of small so I can fit them on here, and 1 more down at the bottom. Remember, 10 frames don't touch when you draw them. They're each individually 10s so that we can count by 10s. To make 10 boxes, I need 4 up and down lines in the middle. And then I'm going to quickly fill in my 20, which is 2 full 10 frames. The fastest way, my friends, is with those nice solid circles. You can use a crayon or a colored pencil for this. Your markers, if they don't go through. On this last 10 frame, I just need 3. So 1, 2, 3. My number line only has 10 spaces, so I can't start at 0 or 1 to get 23 on it. So I'm going to pick this spot right in the middle for 23. And then I'm going to count backwards and forwards to see what the ends of my number line segment would be. So 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. This one would be 18. And forward to see what the end of my number line segment would be. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So my 10 numbers go between 18 and 28, and 23 is right in the middle. If I was looking for number 16, I would follow this arrow backwards further to get to that one. Again, pause the video anytime you need to catch up with me. We're going to do place value blocks. Remember, in place value blocks, we have rows that have 10 cubes attached, and we have separate cubes. So the tens column and the separate cubes. So we need 3 separate cubes, and then we need 2 10 rods. To make 10, I need 9 lines in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that gives me a box on the front that makes it have 10. So 10, 23. Dice dots, many combinations of dice dots to make 23. I'm going to go for very big numbers, so I don't have to make a lot of dice dots. I'm going to have 4 dice. I'm going to put 6 on this dice and 6 more on this dice. And we know 6 and 6 is 12. And 6 more, you might know, is 18, or you could count on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now I need 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So a 5 dice right there. I know that because 6 and 6 is 12. And if I had another 6 and 6 here, I would have 12 and 12. And 12 and 12 is a double that answers to 24. So I knew my last dice would be less than 6. Counting forwards and backwards from 23. 23 goes in the first number. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then backwards from 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16 is as far as I can go. Remember, please go ahead and pause the video anytime that you need to. We're going to do a picture with 23 things. I'm not going to do something complicated like hearts or flowers. I'm going to do 23 boxes, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then we know I've got 6 and 6 and 6 right here, 6 and 6 and 6, so I need only 5 more, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, oh, and I should stop, no more boxes because I only want 23 boxes. Good going, my friends. You could use circles or hearts or flowers if you want to squeeze in 23 flowers. Take as much time as you want, just pause the video so you can join us. For number bonds, 23 is our big part of the number bond, and these 2 numbers are how I could break 23 into 2 parts. I can use a lot of my pictures for this. I could say 20 plus 3. I could say 10 plus 13. I could say 12 plus 11. I like that one, so I think I'm going to use the 12 plus 11 number bond there. And then I have 12 plus 11 equals 23. I have 23 minus 12 equals 11. I have 23 minus 11 equals 12. I'm going to put 23 in the big part of the whole number, and the 2 parts of it are going to be a different equation. I like the one over here where I have 13 and I have 10, so I'm going to do 10 and 13. Then I have 10 plus 13 equals 23. 13 plus 10 equals 23. 23 minus 10 equals 13, and 23 minus 13 equals 10. I'm going to do some number sentences. I think I'm going to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 equals 23. I'm going to do this one up here. That's 10 plus 10 plus 3. 10 plus 10 plus 3 equals 23. I'm going to do a subtraction question using this 10 frames from 30. So 30 take away, how many are blank? 7 are blank. I'll just fix that line. So 30 take away 7 equals 23. Sorry, and then my page is done. Have a wonderful day, my friend. Do your calendar, do your number of the day. Pause as many times as you want to. Take some time to color. If it is a rainy day, coloring and reading is always a great idea. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great Thursday.